Okay, today's learning target, I can use the arithmetic sequence formula to find a specific term in an addition or subtraction pattern. An addition or subtraction pattern is called an arithmetic sequence, and we call it an arithmetic sequence because it is a pattern made up with what we call a common difference. So we're given this formula here. Our formula says a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus d times the quantity of n minus 1. A sub n is the term that we're looking for. Term we want to find. A sub 1 is the first term. Okay. The d is what we call the common difference, and the common difference is the actual pattern itself. Am I adding or subtracting, and how many am I adding or subtracting? And the n is the term number. So, for example, if we have this pattern, 5, 8, 11, 14, and they would like us to find the 15th term, we would refer to this formula. So the a to the n is what we wish to find. N is 15. So we know that the 15th term is going to equal the first term. So we look at our pattern. The first term is this 5 plus the d. The d is the common difference. So from 5 to 8, 8 to 11, and 11 to 14, that would be plus 3 every time. So plus 3 times the n. We already said n is the term number. In this case, that n is a 15 minus 1. And we simplify the arithmetic. So we start inside our parentheses. 15 minus 1 is, of course, 14. So we have 5 plus 3 times 14. Next, we multiply 3 and 14, and 3 times 14 would be 42. So we have 5 plus 42, and we add 5 and 42, and we have 47. So we know that the 15th term of the previous pattern would be 47. Okay, fairly simple to use. Now, we do have what is called the recursive formula. And the recursive formula is used when we have to find each term one at a time. So, for example, the recursive formula looks like this. It says a to the n equals a to the n minus 1 plus d. So if I knew that the pattern was 3 and the a to the 15th was 47, I could find a to the 16th. And I would find a to the 16th simply by using a to the 15th. So I could say that, knowing this formula, I could say that a to the 16th is equal to a to the n minus 1. Well, that would be a to the 15th. N is 16 and minus 1 is 15. I know my d is 3 plus 3. And my a to the 15th is 47. So I could then say that this is actually a to the 16th equals 47 plus 3, which equals 50. Now, we will be using this formula much more frequently than this formula.